Hello everyone, it's Discount Diva here. Coming to you to our favorite spot, the Dollar Tree. How's everyone doing today? I'm doing wonderful. I washed my hair, feeling refreshed, feeling like I'm ready to start my day. Today I'm taking the girls to a birthday party at Chuck E. Cheese, and I needed to pick up some things at the Dollar Tree. So I picked up a few items. They already have their presents, but I wanted to add little things in addition to the present that I already bought for them. So the theme that I picked out for the two presents that I'm getting the children, one is Toy Story and the other one is Paw Patrol. So I noticed that the Dollar Tree did carry a few things that I can work with to make a nice little present for them. So I'm going to show you what I got. I picked up the Toy Story tote bag. The size is yellow and it's by Pixar Disney. So I'm gonna wrap the presents and put them in this bag. Again, guys, I turned the AC off, so I won't have that background. I picked up the last Toy Story 4 poster pages, and it comes with the brush and the paint pods, so he can paint his little pictures and hang them up, put them in his room. This is adorable. And it comes with two posters. So that's going to be part of his present, with the 3-pack of Toy Story 4 crayons. So one says The Sheriff is Here, To Infinity and Beyond, and Rescue Squad. So this will be a nice thing to go together with the poster, with painting the posters. And I also got him a superheroes coloring book because Mom told me he's into superheroes. So I added a little, doesn't really go with the theme, but it's a coloring book, a Justice League coloring book, because he said he likes Batman and the superheroes. So we're gonna go with that. And then for the girl, I got her a Paw Patrol game. So I was able to find a Paw Patrol coloring book, and she likes Disney princesses, who which little girl doesn't. So I picked up the Disney princess coloring book jumbo. They're 80 pages, and then I got the crayons to go with it. It's a 3-pack, so that's a nice little addition to the present. So these 3 are going to be for her because they're twins, and they're turning 4, so this is part of their present for the girl. It's a girl and a boy twins. How cute is that? And he's getting the poster pages to go with the crayons and the paint pods and the coloring book. And then I'm gonna wrap. This is the wrapping paper I picked out. It says party, oh my god, birthdays. And it's ice cream cones, pizza, balloons. So this is kind of neutral for the both of them, for girl and boys. And then after I'm finished wrapping, I'm gonna put it in this bag. And I already have picked up their cards, but I left it in the house, so I'm not gonna show you guys that. Oh, I picked up another one of these tote bags, and I was disappointed because I picked up the last one. So this was definitely a sensation. It's a gorgeous bag, so I went back to get it, and I only got to pick up one. Like I said, next time I see something that I really like, I'm just gonna grab a few, because these things go like hotcakes. I picked up this 6-pack of claw clips. What caught my attention is the sky blue and the gold, and the black, of course, it goes with everything, but I like these 2 colors. I'm actually wearing blue now, so I could just wear that, but I'm afraid to break it because I'm rough with the way I open things. Maybe I could be able to pop it. I think so. I think I was able to do it. All right. I did the other one. Okay, cool. So I'll just clip my hair back. Okay. See how that color just pops? It's just a little hint of color, so that's cute. Okay. Oh, and I got this adorable keychain. On the receipt, it says mermaid, but I don't think it looks, oh, maybe. To me, this just reminded me of like hearts in shapes of like little rocks, but I guess it's the pattern of a mermaid, right? Because the receipt did say mermaid keychain plastic ball. So, but this just caught my eye, so I'm gonna add this to my keychain. I think it's cute, and I like the color red. I just think red is a powerful color. I don't know, Spanish tradition is always the red color protects you. You know how, I don't know if you've noticed, the babies have like the little threaded bracelet, and red is just a very powerful color. It protects you from, you know, bad vibes, or maybe it's just a myth or not, but I don't know, I think red is a nice powerful color. So that's why I was happy to see these pineapple bracelets when I found them. And I found this color, which I think I'm gonna change next to. And I love this pop-up color. I've seen a lot of people wearing this color. I don't know if this is the summer color, but I love it. And it's in LA Colors Color Craze in number 506, and the name is Mint. This color looks hot. Oh, I picked up this scarf. I really don't like cats, but this is a sophisticated cat. It has glasses. I think this is so cute, so adorable, so I couldn't resist this. And I believe, oh, I got a Diet Pepsi because I've been dying to have soda. Diet Pepsi. And last but not least, I picked up myself a mug. My husband keeps saying that I go too crazy with the mugs, but this mug, I just couldn't resist. It's just cute, and what it says, it just makes your heart warm up. It says, "It's so good to be home." This just reminds me of just you're home, you're having a nice cup of coffee, a hot chocolate, and you just look at it with the little flowers and you say, "It is good to be home." So that is it. This is like a birthday haul that I kind of but I needed, you know, these things for the birthday that I have today. It's gonna be at Chuck E. Cheese. So these are adorable. They had them in Trolls and Toy Story 4. So I was glad to find the crayons too. That is a new item that I haven't seen. So I'm gonna get out of here before I start to melt and suffocate. I am not wearing makeup, so my makeup is not melting, but I am really, really hot. And I want you guys to know that I'm so thankful that you guys view my videos, and I'm starting, like I said, I'm starting to feel very comfortable making more videos for you guys. And I do want to start making the come shop with me. I think there's a few Dollar Trees where I'm gonna probably be able to do it, where I could just show you what what I find as new hot items, new items to me. And yeah, this clip is, and it's comfy. It doesn't feel like, you know how sometimes you find those clips and they feel so hard and cheap. You know, this one feels nice and soft, and it has a nice, it's not overly big, it's just the perfect size, and it gives you that nice pop of color. All right, guys, it was nice chatting with you, and until next time, Discount Diva here. Bye bye.